All right, so here is the Prisma running. And I actually ended up finding two. I'm going to be giving you, shouldn't say giving, selling you this one because, just so you see the serial number on it, because the other one that I originally photographed, here's show you the whole case here. Let me go to the other side. I don't want to touch this. All right, that's the other side. The other one, which is right here, that one, and if you look the serial number on it, that's the one I originally sent you in the photos. That one you might not be able to see, but it has a small scratch. Do you see it there? I just panned and you could see it. God, it's so hard to see, but I know that you'd say something and then there'd be a discussion, and I don't feel like honestly dealing with it. You're in Florida. You can kind of see right, it's right here, and every now and then there it is. It's so mirrored you really don't see it, but I think that you would see it. So I don't want to give you this one. Now the other one, the other thing with this is there's a dot dead center. See it? The other one doesn't have this, the one I'm giving you, but I don't know why. It looks like it was manufactured like that because it's dead center on the black dot. This one doesn't have it. I don't know why it doesn't have it, but it doesn't. So again, not sure if that was just the way it was designed, not designed, but the way it was built. I have a feeling with these, I don't think they were mass produced. So I think some of them just have, you know, different little oddities with them. I'm not sure. It's interesting. But again, so those are the two. This is the one I'm going to be giving you. And I'll, you know, do all the packaging like we spoke about. Yeah, and I'll make sure the box that this came out of, actually both boxes have like a yellowed piece of tape that looks like it was from the manufacturer. I'm giving you one of the cleaner boxes, but I mean, it's not bright white, right? It's old and yellowed and has the Aurora, you know, label on it. I'll send you a picture of it, but that's basically the way the box is. All right. So anyway, this is the Prisma.